Let me show you how to set up and also use your voicemail on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So first, simply open up your phone in this dialer option. And first you want to check if your voicemail number is correct. So over here in these three dots, click Settings, and if you scroll here, you have your voicemail number. So by default, when you actually insert the SIM card, it should automatically kind of recognize and set the correct number. But if it doesn't, so if this whatever it set doesn't work for you, you can simply look at your mobile operator website and see what is their voicemail, basically numbers that you need to use, or also simply contact them. And then to activate it, basically for the first time, you simply click and hold the number 1. It will call the voicemail number and request activation. After you do that, it might take maybe like up to a couple hours for it to be activated in some cases. And next time you call, you will be offered the choice to set it up and all the menus. So listen, click and hold this number 1, and you see it's dialing the voicemail. Let me put it on speaker. You will see what it, for example.
No new messages. Main menu. For your messages, press 2. Personal greetings, press 3. Mailbox settings, press 4. Help, press 9.
So for example, in my case, if I want to set up my greeting, I would press the number 3.
Main menu. You do not have a personal greeting. To manage your personal greeting, press 2. To manage your name greeting, press 3. For help, press 9. To record your name, press 2. For help, press 9. Begin your recording after the tone. To end your recording, press hash. To cancel, press star. For the main menu, press 1.
Hey, this is my voicemail greeting. Okay, and stop.
Your name greeting is...
Hey, this is my voicemail greeting.
So you see, yep, and
accept, press 2.
so to accept,
to
yep.
record, press 3.
So, and this is how we can actually manage the voicemail. So again, you press and hold the number 1 and it will dial the voicemail number. And then you simply follow those instructions, what it says. These options will be basically a bit different depending on your operator, obviously. But it's very easy to use. Okay, good luck.